Recording is on.
It is the 29th of October, 2020. WIKISPEED Stand-Up. Go ahead, Lauren.
Okay, this is Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And the past week, done very little. Been busy with family blocks, I guess, or family stuff. And coming week is, I still want to commit the charitable status and contact the IRS. And the blocks, as I said, I already said, and that's it for me.
I wasn't expecting it to. Wasn't expecting you to stop so quick. Okay, it is Michael Wolchuk in Saskatoon, Canada. Last week, I got the recording for last week posted. I got 2 new ESP32s that arrived, I guess, 2 weeks before. I verified that I can download to each of them, so they're fine. They cost $5 more than the 2 I got the first time, but at least they both work. The distance sensor, I soldered on a wiring header, and I can't get it to work. So I'm going to try it with my older ESP32 and just make sure that I'm not using the wrong port or something like that. And that's about all I got done. I was hoping to get stuff done on the level enclosure, the battery inverter, and I guess I got something done on the Sunfounder Raspberry Pi car. Raspberry Pi car. I put the micro SD that I loaded with noobs, and I put it into the original Pi that I thought I'd blown up, and it appears to work fine. And I ran through the calibration procedure for the steering servos and the camera servo, and all appears to work correctly. So I need to leave feedback for Sunfounder saying they're good guys that supported me even with a new board, even though it wasn't their problem, it was mine. But I haven't gotten the rest of the software loaded, and I didn't get it put back together after disconnecting the servos. Next week, looking to get a little bit more done on that enclosure. See if I can get a little bit further on the sun catcher, and see if I can get the distance sensor working. I'm going to list that I'd like to edit and post audio and video for my journey of education on this stuff, but I know there's not very much chance of it happening. And blocks, my snow tires are done, so that's not a block anymore. I did buy a new laptop, so I guess it'll be a couple weeks before I get everything loaded the way I want it. But I guess things have changed a lot in the 8 years since I got a different laptop. Anyway, back to you, Lauren.
Okay, I'm going with a 2 for myself for just showing up and getting started. Sorting out the meeting, and 9 for the team, and process improvement is again, or rather, continuing to get the meeting right. So hopefully we'll do that. Yeah, we'll see. That's it for me.
I am going to give myself 5, maybe a 6. I got a couple things done, and I showed up for stand-up. I'll agree with 7 for the team, and process improvement is not really a process improvement. We really have to get this invitation straightened out, and stop spamming people by inviting them to new meetings and stuff like that without reminders and stuff like that. So what do you want to try? Stay on the recording while we do this, or are we going to stop the recording?
Yeah, let's stop the recording, and yeah, right. I mean, you were more prudent to not put Team WIKISPEED on it, but I was, yeah. So that was probably a bad idea, because it appears some of them went out, but not to me. But it may be that it doesn't go to me, because it was me sending the invitation.
Well,
So,
when I sent it out last time, it's possible that you didn't get it because the list is quite long, and I don't know how many errors it allows before it stops.
right.
So I'm sure lots of those emails addresses don't exist anymore. So
Uh,
I'm not sure
but
how
why didn't we
exactly.
have that problem before?
Um, I don't know.
Yeah.
To be perfectly honest, I don't know.
Yeah. So, uh, yeah, okay. Anyway, yeah, I'm kind of in favor of just staying on here and one of us share a screen and
We'll try to go
probably
through it.
we want to clean out, we want to send not to Team WikiSpeed and but send to maybe I have a couple of email addresses you can use
I,
or I
I
can use.
I've got a couple as well. It actually one of the things that I can do is go into my other email accounts and see whether they got invited to that last meeting.
Yeah.
Because if they did, it made it. They were they were added like last year or so.
Okay.
Um, if they didn't, then we had too many errors and it stopped. Okay,
Okay.
I'm
So
gonna
is the recording stopped yet?
no
Okay.
hit button.